Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. I am Alana and today is National Peach Day. So of course we are going in and creating this really cute, really fun summer peachy look. I know summer is kind of coming to an end, but we are going to let it go out with a bang and we are not going to stop playing with these colors. I'm about to still play with colors even in the winter and the fall. I don't care. I'm obsessed with colors on the eyes now. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. All right, y'all, let's jump right into it. I'm picking up my Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer, color white, as per usual. And I am going to just apply that on my lid, fairly generously, apparently. Whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and dab that out. I just realized my nails kind of go with the theme of the video. Hey. That was not the end. I actually haven't done a color on my nails in like forever. I've been not a color. That's a lie. I haven't done anything different other than the color I always use, which is called Bubble Bath. I do one coat of Bubble Bath and then a top coat. And that is it. It's like the perfect nude. It like stays nice and pink, looking nice and natural, and look, your nails will grow out and you won't even really notice. Well, you guys probably noticed in some of my videos because you be seeing my finger and stuff being probably like, damn, Alana, go get your nails done, girl. But yeah, decided to switch it up before the summer was over and pop on crazy color. All right, so and now that that is all blended out, I'm picking up this crease brush from e.l.f. It's so like old, but I love it. I know it was really bad. I probably shouldn't have it. I should probably buy some new ones, but it doesn't even have the number on it or anything. But I know it's from e.l.f. because I've been rocking this thing forever. But I'm gonna go into the color Summer Yum in the Sweet Peach palette. And I am going to just pop that into where my crease is here. And just I'm going to dab that along my crease. I don't know what it is with my eyes lately. I can't see as good anymore. So I've been just kind of having to pick up a mirror all the time, no matter what, to see up close. It's really depressing because I'm like, ooh, that must mean your girl is getting old. All right, now that you've got that like little moon shape, you're gonna go into the color Just Peachy, the big fluffy blending brush, and we are going to just pop that right directly on top of that brown. Not to mute it out or anything, but just to not make it so harsh, and just begin blending. I am then going to take this fluffy little blending brush from Crown in the color Caramelized, and I am going to begin to dab that right on top of that pink shade, the Just Peachy that we added. With that same brush, I'm mixing Georgia and Caramelized now, and I'm going to just dab that right on top again, just to really blur out those lines, honey. Now, I will say I am not happy with how shaded up this crease is. So I'm going to go back in with that Summer Yum Yum color, and I am going to begin pressing her back in. Okay, I am much happier with that. I am now taking some of the Age Rewind Concealer, and then I'm taking the C158 from Crown, just a little bit of that on this little flat brush. Any flat brush will do, really. I want to just put that right in the center of my lid here. Look up as per usual and begin to carve my crease, honey. I do not know how I was cutting the crease before without doing that little trick. I would imagine any cut creases I did were probably friggin' trash. I don't think I really did many cut creases actually, to be honest. One, because I was probably super insecure that I couldn't do them with my hooded eyes. but as you know, I am super wrong about that because your girl can do them now. So I'm now taking the Morphe M209 brush and the color Peaches and Cream. I'm just pressing it on top of where I put that concealer. All right, and with my Smith 230 brush, I'm going to take the color Pure and lightly begin dusting that inwards. And then I am going to pick up Summer Yum again on that same brush and pop that in on top. Now we in a business, honey. So for the liner, because I could not find a like peachy color liner for the life of me, I was actually using a different peach liner the first time I tried this look. Yes, the first time. Because the first time I did it, it came out good until I used the liner. And what happened was the liner I used was super sticky and it didn't dry the way I wanted it to. So it actually transferred and it was just a whole mess. And then I was like, oh, maybe I could put it in here. It just didn't work. So instead, I am picking up this lipstick from Heidi D Cosmetics. I literally don't know what color this is because for some odd reason, she does not put the names on the colors. But what I'm doing is I'm picking up the Morphe M443 brush. And I'm going to draw a wing with this thing. Now you do not want to do this too heavy because this too is kind of sticky, but it's less sticky than the shade I was using earlier, or the lipstick, sorry, I was using earlier. So you're going to want to make sure that you really make sure you work this in. We are going to set it in with a shadow after, but just to make sure, because this one still is experiencing a little bit of transfer, but I mean, it's not as bad as the other one was. The other one was a whole hot mess. Like, I mean, a whole hot mess. And I'm so mad because, like, I really like how it turned out the first time. I mean, I like it this time. I think it's really pretty still, but the first time was like fire. It was. And the color was just worked better. This is a little bit more on the corally side, but we'll still ride with it as a peach color, okay? We use the peach palette, so whatever. Happy peach day to you guys. All right, now just to make sure that everything is set and like I said, doesn't transfer, I'm taking just an angled brush and this, the Brights palette from NYX. I don't know what color it is, but it's like the corally color in it. And I am just gonna pack that right on top of that liner that I just did. All right, so our eye is all set. I'm taking the Maybelline Big Shot mascara just because you might have gotten some pink on your lashes and you want to make sure that they blend at the root with your falsies. Just a light coat, nothing crazy. Okay. Now for falsies, we are taking my favorite falsies. These are Magic Touch by Velour. I picked these up at Sephora the other day. I love how they gradually get longer on the ends and it's smaller in the front. This one went on really good. This one today, I don't know. Let's redo this one because I'm just not feeling it. There we go. Much better. Technical difficulties for a moment, but we back in business. All right, so let's jump into the bottom part of this lash. I am going to pick up the color Pure again. That same old ass elf brush, and I'm going to begin to pack that just underneath the eyelid. Right now, same brush, picking up Summer Yum Yum. Pack that right on top. And then I'm just take a handy dandy black liner, put that right on the lash line. And with that elf brush, just smoke it out. All right, let's move into face. I don't know if I'm going to add this in the video. I'm wondering if I should or not. Because not much has really changed in my foundation application. And just because I love it, I'm gonna go in with my Born This Way foundation. I am in the color Honey. Honey. Pump some of that up onto directly my face. I'm gonna take this It Cosmetics foundation brush and just blend it out. I haven't used this. Now let's be extra and scream for that Too Faced sponsorship. I'm gonna take the Born This Way new concealer, and I'm in the color Natural Beige. I'm gonna pop that under my eyes here. Let's put her on the rest of the high points too, obviously. And for my contour, I'm gonna use the Fenty Matchstick. This is in Truffle. I can't use anything else. I'm sorry. I tried the Born This Way here as well, like in the contour, and it's just not for me. Like, I just want to know what we were all doing with our faces before contour. I almost like I really, really want to do a video on how I did my makeup in high school. Let me know if that would be something you guys would be interested in seeing. But I think it's hella funny how like makeup has evolved, because I was not doing half of this to my face in high school. Mind you, I'm sure, like, obviously celebrity artists and all that, they were doing this. They've been doing this. We just never got the tea until Kim was like, hey, by the way, I be contouring the hell out of my face. I remember the first time I seen those pictures, I was like, damn, she uses a lot of makeup. And now it's like, that's the norm of putting on your makeup. Like, that's crazy. I got this big ass zip right here. I'm about to get my little monthly friend, so, you know, she be just bringing along her cousins to move it into my face while she vacates my body for a while. And I am now going to take this little itty bitty beauty blender and blend out this concealer. I hate that I have to use this mirror because it's making me worry about my sight. However, maybe it's because I have contacts in and my sight is getting better. No, probably not. Probably not, but I mean, a girl can wish, right? Right, now let's go ahead and set these under eyes. I'm so happy, guys. I found my Catrice Nude Illusion setting powder. I am obsessed with this stuff. Just because it's so finely milled, it literally doesn't feel like you're wearing anything on your face. It's perfect for baking. Like, absolutely perfect. At least for me, with the way my skin under my eyes be so dry, this really does the work. In a way that's not going to dry out my skin. Like, it doesn't feel like anything. Seriously. And I don't know, I just feel like I could bake longer with this stuff because it's so finely milled. It doesn't feel like give you that big clumpy feeling. You know what I mean? Like, it just blurs. Like, look at that. It blurs so nicely. Like, there is find me a better translucent powder than this one. I dare you. So to stay with the beautiful peaches and pink colors, I have not used this baby in a while. This is the Chrissy Teigen and Becca collab. I haven't used this in dog ages, but honey, I love this. I don't know why I haven't been using it. Like, I just want to already dip right into the contour color. Like, it's just, I'm about to go crazy with this. I don't really need to, but you know, your girl's down. Just be an extra today. I'm gonna actually pick up this big fluffy brush and the darker color here, and I am just gonna push that right on top of the contour, really. And then I'm gonna go into the true pink color here for my blush. Then I'm going into that light color, and I'm just gonna pop that just on the apples. See, it's just such a youthful little. And for lips, I'm gonna just pick up the Heidi lipstick that I used on the eyes, and I'm just gonna pop those onto my lips, cause like, hey, why not? Now, dear Lord, let me go fix these baby hairs because I have myself out here looking hella crazy. One second. All right, guys, so there you have it. This is the final look. Hopefully you guys are all having a very peachy day since it is National Peach Day. And if you do recreate this look, please, please, please make sure you guys tag me in your photos. I would love to see your recreations. If you haven't already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, as well as don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.